Okay, I can't find a decent video on YouTube so I'm gonna make my own for you real quick. First of all, when you're holding a guitar, you want the back of it to be straight up and down. Normally you wouldn't play on a chair with arms like I'm in right now, but let's just forget those are there. So, and you want your thumb firmly up against the back of the fretboard, and this is the fretboard right here, and that will allow you to apply pressure when you're making chords and notes. So because if you make if it's not tight like that, you want your finger to be tight on that fretboard, and it's hard to do at first, but you'll get used to it. So you have 6 strings. Acoustic and electric are exactly the same. Usually electric you can get further up on the fretboard because you don't have this big bulky body of an acoustic, but this is what you'll be starting on, something similar. Top string or first string, which is confusing because it's actually the bottom. So your first string is your E, and that's your skinniest string. And second string is B, third string is G, fourth string's D, fifth string's A, and then another E. So your top and bottom strings are tuned in E. And right here is what I use to tune mine. It just clips on. We'll have to get you one of those too, because you have to constantly tune, especially the more you play. And if temperature is different with these wood guitars. So the first one was E. Second, or I'm sorry, going by numbers. Number 6 is E. Number 5 is A. Number 4 is D. Number 3 is G. Number 2 is B. And again, number 1 is E. Okay, tab. These are your frets in between these gold bars right here, where these dots are. You got a dot on 3rd fret, 5th fret, 7th, 9th, 12th. Trying to look at the camera and do this at the same time. They're also on the top of your fretboard, so when you're playing you can see them. Like right there's 5, 3. So when you see tablature, it's based on strings 1 through 6, from smallest to biggest. So if you see like a, and I'll send you some of this documentation too, but if you see like a number 3 on the 2nd string, that'll be down here, because you're on 1, 2, 3 and strings 1 and 2. If you see 3 together, like 2nd string, I'm sorry, 2nd fret, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string, and then if it says 0, it's just an open string. So if we have 0 and 2, 2, 2 on strings 5, 4, 3, and 2, that means you strum them together, and that's an A chord. But we'll get to that. But basically with your tablature, and I'll send you, like I said, I'll send you some documentation, but and we'll get you some chords going and get you started. But that's tablature.